3, and we've just wrapped up our first box, which was tracing arrows using our pen tool. I want to go ahead and zoom back out, view actual size, and we're moving on to our second box. So I'm holding my space bar and dragging, and I'm going to use Command plus, and again with the space bar, holding it down and dragging so that I'm focused on this box right here. This box is actually made up of 2 arrows that are overlapping, and we used a special path tool to make it into one shape with this space carved out in the middle. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go back over to the arrows that we just made. I've selected this one by clicking on it, and I'm going to click on the one on the left. I'm going to edit, copy, and edit, paste. Now I'm clicking, holding, and dragging both of those over here. And I'm going to click on my right arrow, hold down my Shift key so that I can easily slide it to the left but keep it perfectly aligned. Hover it right over that template there, and now I have 2 overlapping shapes, but I don't have that arrow in the middle. So I'm going to show you a fun little palette here. We're going to go to Window, Pathfinder. I'm pulling this right over here so you can see it. So you can see all these different shape modes. This one is Unite, minus the front, Intersect. So what this is doing is you can take any 2 shapes, and when you overlap them, you can do any one of these things. You can unite them into one shape. You can subtract the image on the front. You can intersect them and just only use the shape that is the part where the 2 shapes are overlapping. You can exclude. This looks most like what the template was. So we are going to go ahead and select this one, and then we're holding our Shift key down to select the second one, and then we're going to come back over here and click exclude, and voila. You can play with that a few different ways if you want to. If you want to hit undo, exclude, and see what this one does. See, that's just giving you the spot that was overlapping, but for the purpose of this, I wanted you to use that exclude button, and voila. We'll move to the third box next so that you can learn how to make how you can repeat an object and use the alignment tools to make rows and rows of repeated objects.